What's the meaning of betterment? Betterment. Betterment.
Betterment. Betterment. Betterment refers to the act or process of improving or making something better. It is a term that can be applied to various aspects of life, such as personal growth, social and economic development, and environmental sustainability. Betterment often involves identifying areas that can be improved upon and implementing changes that lead to positive outcomes. This can include investing in education and skills training, promoting innovation and technology, and adopting sustainable practices. The concept of betterment is closely linked to progress and achievement, and it is an important driver for individuals, organizations, and society as a whole to strive for continuous improvement and positive change.